For the longest time, I couldn't control the kitchen light because I was looking for a three-way switch. I'm glad that TP-Link finally brought one out. Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back. Today I got a new product. It's the TP-Link Smart Wi-Fi Light Switch. This time it's the three-way light switch kit, HS210. So basically I've been waiting for a light switch that's controllable for the Amazon Echo, and TP-Link finally came out with one. And so what I'll do is I'll show you. I won't show you how to the install, just because there's plenty out there, and it also it differs from house to house. Okay, so here's the light switch already installed. You can see that it looks like a regular light switch. However, it's no longer a toggle. It's just a paddle, if you will. If you just press that, you can't press up. You have to press it again. And so that turns it on. So I have this light switch here and another one right there. And that's why I needed the three-way switch. So a little bit about the light. As you saw earlier, when the light is off, it has this like neat, I don't know if it's like a night light to show you that the switch is right there with the little halo. I thought that was kind of neat. And then when you turn it on, it disappears. So it's like a little night light, I guess, so you know where the switch is. It's kind of cool. The switch over here is similar. Turn it off, get the halo, turn it on. Nothing to it. So now I'll give you the demo. Alexa, turn off light. And because Alexa is, I put one up there in the on top of the fridge. Because it's accessing this Alexa, it knows when I just say light, it turns on the kitchen light rather than it turning on the family room light or any other light in the house. So if I say Alexa, turn on light. Alexa, turn on light, and turns it on. So kind of neat. Again, you know, it for the longest time I couldn't control the kitchen light because I was looking for a three-way switch. I'm glad that TP-Link finally brought one out. So there it is, guys. Hope this helps you out. You know, highly recommend this three-way switch from TP-Link for those that have the three-way. Basically, again, a light that's being controlled by two separate light switches. Works with Amazon, works with, I believe, also Google, and has works with IFTTT. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions that I didn't point out in this video. I answer, or I look at all comments and I try to answer the best I can. All right, guys, enjoy.